I wanted to bring you along today to some thrift stores. I've already like thrifted some other pieces of furniture that I'm gonna do a thrift flip type video to show you how I'm going to like repurpose them to obviously go with the whole theme that I have going on, I guess, if there is a theme in the suite. I'm gonna take you in and see if we can hopefully find some pieces that I'm looking for this thrift flip, or hopefully not even have to really do anything to them. So we'll see. Value Village was a bust. There was nothing there, and it was insanely busy for some reason, which is weird because it's like a Tuesday afternoon and you would assume that there'd be nobody there, but it was like crazy busy. So now I'm at Winners, one of my favorite places ever, and I'm looking for a modern shaped mirror. Since I couldn't find it at Value Village, I'll try some other thrift stores maybe, but I'm also looking for some bigger decorative plant holders or plant pots. I saw some really cute ones in here, so I'll show you guys in a second. But first, let's take a look at some mirrors. They have tons. So this is actually the shape that I was looking for. I wanted a flat bottom with like a rounded top like this. Okay, I found actually a few that I like. Here's the gold version of this mirror, and then they also have just the straight up oval one as well, and I think, yeah, it's the same price, 40 bucks. So I'm gonna get one of these. I don't know if I should get the more like interesting shape. Here are the plant holders. How freaking cute. I think I might get this one, but I'm also looking at this one. Like, I really like the design. So pretty. Let's see, how much is this one? It's $40. I think this one is $30. Yeah, $30. Oh, I don't know. Alright, I'm back home now from Winners and my failed thrift shopping attempt. I think I will actually go to another thrift store this week and see what I can get, because there are still some other things that I have my mind on. I have like a vision of what I want, so hopefully I can find them. But I did end up just getting this basket from Winners HomeSense. It was $24.99. This is going to be a plant holder, so like a decorative plant holder. I'm gonna put a fan palm, or I think it's a fan palm, in this one. And my poor fiddle leaf fig is like really dying. Fiddle leaf figs are so sensitive to any type of change whatsoever. It's really quite annoying and unfortunate, because I think fiddle leaf figs are so cute. I did end up getting that other basket from HomeSense, and that's just going to be housing my sad fiddle leaf, but I am trying to nurse it back to health. It's gonna look very sad for a while though. These are like the healthier looking leaves, which is really sad. So I'm gonna try nursing that one back to health. I did end up getting the mirror. It is this one right here. It's gonna go in my bedroom. Did want to share that yesterday I went out and I actually bought a new camera for vlog type videos. So the camera that I currently have is the Canon G7X Mark II. It's just the autofocus isn't as quick as I would prefer it to be. So I got the Canon M50 Mark II. So I'm gonna unbox it. This is the camera that Michaela got recently, and she told me about the M50. I don't know if she has the Mark II, but I did see online that it was only $50 more than the original. So I thought, why not just get the Mark IIs? But if you are wanting to save a little bit of money, I know that you can get them for cheaper used if you wanted the original Mark, or not the Mark II, the M50. But I did actually need a lens with this because it has a EF lens. That's different from my regular filming camera lens, so they won't actually fit on this camera body. So I obviously needed a lens with that. A lot of people end up getting better lenses anyways to fit it. I do know that you can get adapters to use regular Canon lenses on this so that it fits. Oh, it's so tiny. The M50 Mark II also has the screen that flips and can be rotated in like any direction, which is nice. So you could film from like up high or obviously down low. But this is actually perfect because I want to use this for filming Instagram reels, TikTok videos, so you can do it vertically and actually see yourself as if you would on like your phone. The M50 Mark II is a mirrorless camera, and I've never had a mirrorless camera before. My boyfriend kept saying for years that I should get a mirrorless camera, and I'm finally doing it. Look how cute and small this camera is. It's very light too, which is so nice if you are going to be vlogging with this camera, or obviously just taking videos for whatever and taking pictures. Feels like a regular like DSLR camera, but really small. Ooh. Autofocus is so fast and it adjusts to different lighting situations really, really fast. I really like this. Well, overall, I'm very impressed with this camera and I will definitely be keeping it. One of the complaints that I did hear about this camera though was that it's kind of unstable for footage, so handheld isn't the best, but honestly, this is like really not bad at all. I really like this. This is a really great camera. I also do just want to do a little like sideways video to see if it changes automatically or if I have to like change the format, so we'll see if this works. Well, I'm trying thrift shopping again today with my mama. Hello. And I will show you what I get at the end of everything. I'll show you if I find anything interesting. Thrifting again was not very successful today. That's okay, I've got lots of other things in the past for this place, but I did end up getting these drawer holes. I have a couple pieces of furniture that I did thrift in the past that I'm going to be like refinishing them and changing the knobs. Okay, you can still see Luna's butt in the door. The other thing that I'm very excited about today is a package that I got literally just as I got home from one of my best friends in the entire world, Lauren. Since the border is still closed from or to Canada and the US at the moment, I don't know how long it's gonna be closed for, and I really miss going to Target. So I asked my friend Lauren, who lives in the States, to actually, I purchased everything online at Target and I just did it as like a pickup. So she just picked up all of the stuff that I ordered from Target and shipped it to me, and I just got it in the mail. It was really quick actually. I really wanted a bunch of stuff that Blogilates had released in her line that is now at Target. I can't find any scissors, so I'm trying to open this with a pen. I hope I don't draw on anything. So Lauren recently she moved to Kansas City, Missouri. She sent over some Kansas City barbecue sauce. So exciting! So here's all the stuff that I got from Target that isn't from the Blogilates line. I really wanted some Lazy Susans that I could use in my kitchen, in the cabinets, and also in my fridge, because so many times I go into a fridge and it's like just packed with stuff, different condiments and stuff. So I wanted something that I could put in the fridge and be able to spin it and actually access everything easier. So I got two of these, both 10-inch turntables. Then I got this bigger one that has two little like separators inside, so you can put spices, hot sauce, barbecue sauce, whatever, into this one, and it'll be a lot easier to get to. I think this one I will definitely be keeping in the fridge because it's like the perfect height for keeping bottles of, yeah, hot sauce, stuff like that. And I got one more very giant turntable. This one is the 15-inch turntable, and obviously you could use this for like serving stuff during parties whenever that can happen again. This was actually requested by my mom. This is the Martha White self-rising cornmeal mix, which is what my mom prefers to use when making cornbread, and it's so delicious. So she's gonna be really excited about this. Finally, the Blogilates line that is now at Target. Very excited about this. These are her resistance bands, and they come in two different colors and two different strengths. These are the ones that have like the poles that you can use for like lifting basically without weights. I can't open it right now because I don't have scissors, but you kind of get the idea. I love the color of everything that she designed in that entire collection. The other thing that I really wanted to try from her line for Target are the grip socks. They have little stars and moons all over them with the like grippy texture, and then they tie up your ankle. So I used to do bar classes all the time before the pandemic, obviously, and I know that they're still open. I just feel a little weird about going to like a fitness class during the pandemic, but at home I can also still use these, obviously, because we have hardwood. I will probably use these more whenever I'm actually going back to workout classes, but they're so cute. I have a couple pairs, but I really wanted another one, and when I saw that she was releasing some, I was like, of course I'm gonna get it. The other thing that I really wanted to get from her line is her giant, I think it's 62-ounce water bottle. So I have a 34-ounce water bottle, I think, from Hydro Flask, but I wanted a like giant one that whenever I'm out during the entire day, I don't have to like worry about running out of water in the entire day. And a lot of times I go on longer walks with my boyfriend, who usually shares my water bottle. So I wanted to get a really big one that we could both obviously use. And of course I love the print. It has like stars and moons and suns, or just stars and suns, I think, but I love the color. It is really giant. Okay, the last thing I got from her line for Target is one of her yoga mats. So I had actually been using just a regular yoga mat for a long time, but when you do workouts that are a bit sweaty, it's really, really slippery if you don't have a like faux suede yoga mat. So this is what her faux suede yoga mat looks like for Target. It has a pink non-slip bottom, and then the top is this faux suede like cosmic cloud look. How cute is that design? Everything just looks so cute together. I get really sweaty, like I'm a very sweaty person, so my hands and feet obviously sweat too, and having something like this is gonna make a huge difference, so I'm so happy. Yay. I think that's where I'll end this vlog. I think next time I will share some of the furniture that I have thrifted in the past, and I really want to do a thrift flip video using all of that stuff and all of the other things that I got to like make them cooler and more modern, but that's gonna be a long process because I have quite a few different things that I will be restoring / updating, but I do want to film that, so I will definitely be doing that hopefully when it gets a little bit warmer. Yeah, I'm really excited for all of this stuff, and thank you again, Lauren, for sending me everything from Target. It satisfied my need for going to Target for a little while longer. Anyways, I hope you're all having a great day. Thank you for watching this random vlog, and make sure you subscribe and watch my other videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!